Mga kaibigan, hindi po narinig ang mga pagpapakilala sa mga starting units ng dalawang koponan. And kinito, last Friday sa Araneta Coliseum, medyo may paggulat si Coach Jaworski o panagot sa starting unit ng Alaska. Ngayon, balik sa dati.
Totoo yan, partner. Balik nga sa dati. At si Nori Locsin and Wilmer Rong started for Gordons from game number 5. At somehow, hindi sila nakapagsabay sa speed game ng Alaska. Kaya naman ngayon, in this game, ini-start ni Coach Robert Jaworski sina Dodot at si Vince Season muli. At sa Alaska naman, very comfortable na si Coach Tim Cone using that double point guard combination in Boyet Fernandez at saka si Barrientos.
First attempt by Georgia Lastimosa was a tad strong. At si Baldo Videon nagbibigay ng mga instructions para sa kanyang makakampi sa panig ng Gordon's Gin. Game 6 is underway here at the Cuneta Astrodome. Tumulas si Chris King. At lumabas mo ang bola para sa panig ng Alaska Milk. Alam mo, isa ring pinag-uusap-usapan itong si Chris King kung si Coach Sonny Jaworski ay mag-iiba ng isip o magpapalit ng isip at napapalitan niya itong si Chris King.
Well, nabasa ko sa column ni Al Mendoza yung kanina that baka dapat siguro i-pacing si Chris King because if it is true that he is hobbled and we have seen him hobbled in the last 2 games, baka naman talaga dapat i-pacing ito si Chris King because in game number 5 he played 48 minutes. Ang problema kay Chris King, if he is hobbled partner, he is a liability in defense and he is predictable in offense.
Well, nakita nga natin doon sa isang excerpt doon sa ating highlights, talagang sumasakit yung injury na yan pagka nagkakamali siya ng landing o ng pagtakbo dahil masakit talaga yung injury niya at maya hinahawak-hawakan niya, hinihimas-himas niya yung kanyang hita.
Pansinin natin kung yung mga galaw ni Chris King to find out if he is playing 100% because sa tingin ni Coach Tim kung 60% potential lang ang inilalaro ni Chris King so far in this series because of his hamstring injury.
Well, Coach Jaworski has apparently decided to stick by his original game plan of using Chris King. At sa kasalukuyan, parang ganito rin ang nangyari nung Biyernes. Hindi ka agad naka-score ang dalawang kupunan. 1.5 minutes run by. Wala pa rin nakaka-score. There's a steal on a fumble by Bong Hawkins. Chris King has it against Georgia Lastimosa. Chris King umatras ngayon.
Partner, mukha yata magandang galaw ni Chris King, ha?
Oo. Cross-court pass. Jaworski is open. Wala. 2 minuto na kinito nakakaraan at wala pa rin nakaka-score. Dito sa dalawang kupunan ito, inside pass to Bong Hawkins. Dodot Jaworski is there to try and contest it. At si Jaworski medyo lumalapit-lapit pa kay Bong Hawkins. Hindi naman siya pinapansin ni Hawkins.
And Hawkins very calmly walking away. And Dodot Jaworski, eto panuuri natin, talagang challenge ito si Bong Hawkins. Hawkins, the veteran, walking away. And Dodot Jaworski is given a technical yata yun.
Technical foul ba?
Ano nangyari?
May technical, Sino?
Hawkins, technical.
Si Hawkins ang tinawagan ng technical.
May second motion si Bong Hawkins, kaya siya natawagan ng technical. Although sa tingin ko, dapat siguro double technical yun because lumapit si Dodot Jaworski sa kanya in a rather menacing manner.
Para naghahamon,
sa NBA hindi po pwede yan. Yan ang tinatawag na taunting sa NBA. And sa tingin ko, dapat ganun din ang rule dito sa ang rule sa PBA, because if there is a player who confronts you in such a manner that Dodot Jaworski did, dapat nabigyan din ng technical yon. Anyway, the decision will stick. 1 technical foul slap on Bong Hawkins for second motion. Tama din yung tawag na yon.
Okay, so 1-point lead for Gordons on that technical free throw as Johnny Barrientos gets away. Pero basket is nullified. Pero tawag ng foul. At yun po ay bago po tumira si Johnny Barrientos. So sideline inbounds here para sa Alaska Milk. 1-0 in favor of Gordon's Gin.
And partner, 3 team fouls already for Gordon's Gin. This is something that we have seen in this series. The penchant of Gordon's to commit fouls. Ito, foul number 4 on Gordon's Gin.
And the second personal on Dodot Jaworski.
Foul number 52, Dodot Jaworski, his third foul.
Pangatlo na.
Pangatlo na pala.
Pangatlo na ang foul ni Dodot Jaworski. At si Kevin Holland naman ay mapupunta sa foul line. Si Holland is rather respectable from free throw line. At naglaro siya sa CBA. Yes.
6%.
76% ang percentage siya dito sa PBA. Pero sa Continental League, when he played 4 seasons, his career average was 80%.
At si Kevin Holland, medyo marami rin ang nagulat sa kanyang laro noong Biyernes, Kinito, sapagkat nahalata ng marami na parang hirap na hirap siyang sa opensa against Gordon's Gin, pero nagpakita siya ng game number 5.
Partner, aminado naman yata si Kevin Holland that he is intimidated by Marlo Aquino. At kanya nga dapat talagang he has to work on his outside shot. Eto, may steal ang Alaska. Yung speed game ng Alaska, maganda ang depensa ni Chris King. Maganda ang galaw niya because he sprinted backcourt. Now, kung meron siyang pain sa hamstring, hindi niya pinakita yon because he was able to sprint back down and he disrupted the play of Alaska.
Well, yung injury na yan, palagi ko Kinito, sumasakit yan pagka nagkamali ka ng galaw. In a speed game like basketball, once in a while talaga magkakamali ka ng galaw. Ito, magandang galaw ni Bong Hawkins to net him 2 points and put Alaska in the lead by 3 at 4-1.
Partner, liability na sa defense ito si Gordon Jaworski. Si Bong Hawkins is attacking that defense. Jaworski already with 3 personal fouls. Ito nakawala.
What a move by Vince Hison. Crossover dribble and a reverse layup. Ang ganda naman nun.
Partner, very underrated ito si Vince Hison. Maraming nga nagsasabi he has choked in this series. But if you look at the box scores, partner, only 2 players in the entire Gordon's lineup, including the import, have scored double figures in every game. That's Marlo Aquino at si Vince Hison, the Prince.
At akalain nyo, second half na pumasok yan ng game number 5, but he really stirred up his teammates nung pagpasok niya ngayon. Lamang nga, hindi sila nanalo. Pero Jaworski, labang kay Lastimosa. Pinabot kay Mahal David. Medyo malakas. Loose ball. Referee Ernie De Leon will call another foul on Dodot Jaworski.
Well, Dodot Jaworski knows that his minutes are limited sa larong ito, so he's really giving it all he's got. He's playing with no caution. At lumalaban siya, no? Talaga naman lumalaban. At dapat lang.
Okay, sa ngayon mga kaibigan, lamang ang Alaska ng isa at 4-3. Jojo Lastimosa, binabalik na yan ni Chris King. There's a switch. Import to import. Kevin Holland goes baseline and reverse layup. Hindi pumasok.
Well, partner, mukha yata ito si Kevin Holland. He was waiting for someone to come in from behind. He is intimidated. Ang sabi ni Coach Tim Cone, nagkakaroon na ng mental block ito si Kevin Holland once he feels himself open inside the lane.
Vince Hison momentarily open. Binigay kay Chris King. He's got all the time in the world to shoot that, pero hindi pumasok. Kevin Holland with a big rebound. Binigay kay Boyet Fernandez. At sinisenyo si Boyet Fernandez ang play para sa Alaska Belt. Lamang pa rin ang isa. Ang Alaska 4-3 and they have possession. Bong Hawkins lamang kay Dodot Jaworski. Nice pass inside, pero wala sa forma. Ay, natulungan pa ni Chris King.
Ayun, buenas na lang yun. Chris King, rather Kevin Holland, tapping the ball inside. You can count an offensive rebound in that play and the putback.
Actually, medyo natapik din ni Chris King yun at kaya pumasok eh. Ganun pa man, they'll take it. A 3-point lead para sa Alaska. Vince Hison, wala rin sa forma yung tira.
Well, partner, he was posting up on Boyet Fernandez. And that was a play that Coach Robert Jaworski wanted them to take advantage because of the mismatch.
Matulis na 3-point shot ni Boyet Fernandez. Marlo Aquino controls the board. Wala nagawa si Kevin Holland sa likod. Chris King, binigyan ni Bong Hawkins ang distansya. Look at Johnny Abarrientos go for that rebound.
Partner, nagmamadali ang Gordon's Gin again to shoot from long range. Alam po natin itong Gordon's Gin. You might even be able to say lives or dies by a 3-point shot, but it's too early for them to take too many chances from that range.
Samantala si Coach Tim Cone nagmuestra from the bench na bagalan ng laro to go to the half-court set para sa Alaska, and it works. At ganyan, meron silang 5 puntos na kalamangan over Gordon's 8-3 ang ating score.
What Robert Jaworski tried on the other end, yun ang ginawa naman ni Tim Cone. No? There was a post-up move, Hawkins on Baldavid. Kanina nakita natin, he's on Boyet Fernandez on the post-up move.
Malo appear to double team. Jaworski is open. Mahina. Kinapos. Ball goes out of bounds.
And that's an air ball at Alaska calling or asking the referees that there should have been contact at that